Well, presenters, welcome back. Here's a slow-mo shot of me shooting in a chair. So chair shooting, working on the arms. Remember, arms are the most important part of shooting, so as much as you can work on your arms, and especially if your legs are tired, this is a great substitute for regular shooting. So focus on your arms, and so let's go through a slow-mo video of me shooting to help break down the positions and timing of it all. So let's watch. Okay, so that was it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so remember position 1 is when the upper arm is behind the spine, behind the back there, okay? So that arm is going to be back and lower arm will be straight. So you make this small acute angle. Okay, so keep that angle throughout as you shoot. So that's position 1. As we move to position 2, you can see the arm is up. Okay, position 2 is when this upper arm is now in line with the spine. Okay, as the ball moves up, I keep and maintain that angle. So that's position 2. Upper arm is now parallel or running parallel to the spine. As we transition to position 3 is marked by when the ball is now balanced underneath. Okay, these angles, the original triangle is still there. Okay, so now the ball is balanced underneath. So it moved from a horizontal position to now a vertical position. Position 4, we get to the upper arm being parallel to the floor. Remember the angle is still there, and now the ball is still underneath, okay, underneath the palm there. So that's position 4. And then as we go into the release, it is a full extension from position 4. Okay, so the arm fully extends. The arm fully extends there. The wrist is pointing down and fully snapped, and then you can see in the back the guide hand in the back is not interfering, so you can see my palm there. Okay, so go through it again quickly. Position 1, okay, marked by this, mainly by this shoulder or upper arm being back behind the body, the triangle that we want. Okay, palm behind the ball, palm behind the ball. Okay, ball behind. As we move forward, position 2, you want to keep those same angles. Okay. Moving to position 3, again you can still see I maintain these angles. Position 4 here, angle, ball underneath, and then position 5. Okay, so as you guys go through trying to learn how to shoot, okay, the easiest way to start is to learn the positions. Okay, and then I want you to just easily just go from position 1. Make sure you pass through position 2, position 3, 4, and then 5. Now some common errors that will come up along the way I'll address in another video, but just make sure you can understand and find each position and then just smoothly go through each. So arm back, lower arm parallel, upper arm getting parallel with the spine, keeping your triangle or keeping your angle throughout, and then releasing once you get to position 4. Make sure you find every position. Hopefully this video helps, guys. If this video helped you, do me a favor and please share it with a teammate or someone with a broke jumper that will benefit from this video. That's all I got for you guys right now. Okay, remember, take 14 minutes, 24 seconds, or 1% of your day to get better.